Hi friends, welcome back to Spice of India. Today's recipe is white sauce mushroom pasta. We'll start with cooking the mushroom. For that, into a pan, take 1 tablespoon olive or refined oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Once butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add half finely chopped onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add thinly sliced mushroom. Here I have taken 200 grams of the mushroom, and then add salt as per your taste. After a minute or two, mushroom will release lot of water, and continue cooking the mushroom on a medium flame. Generally, mushroom cooks very fast, and on medium flame it will be ready after 5 to 6 minutes. Now our mushroom looks cooked and ready. Our next step is to prepare the sauce. For that, into a pan take 2 tablespoons butter, and once butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons refined flour. Mix it nicely. Please use equal amount of butter and refined flour. If you use too much of a flour, then sauce becomes very thick. And keep stirring and cook it on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. At this stage, add half cup milk and keep on stirring so to avoid forming any lumps. You can see it is thickening very quickly. Proceed to add another half cup of milk and keep on stirring. Once it is mixed properly, then add additional half a cup of milk and mix it nicely and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. In total, we have added 1.5 cup or approximately 350 ml of the milk. At this stage, the consistency of the sauce should be semi-liquid as shown, and it gets thickened after adding the pasta and cheese. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon red chili flake, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half a teaspoon Italian seasoning. Add salt as per your taste and mix it nicely. Our sauce looks ready. For cooking the pasta, take 1.5 liter water, add 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Only small amount of this salt get absorbed by the pasta, so don't worry and add 1 tablespoon salt. Mix it once and then bring it to the boil. Water started boiling, adding the pasta and cook it on high flame for exactly 8 minutes. Once pasta is cooked, it should be added into the sauce immediately, and it should not be kept open outside for a long time. This is the reason we have cooked pasta at the last. After 8 minutes, our pasta looks nicely cooked and ready. Lastly, heat up the sauce and add the mushroom and mix it nicely with the sauce. Next, add pasta and mix it gently or it may start breaking. Finally, add in half a cup grated cheese. Cheese start melting. Mix it nicely and our delicious creamy white sauce pasta with the mushroom is ready. Do try the recipe for yourself and subscribe to the channel to get more such recipes. Thank you.